Hey everyone, so I didn't plan to make this video, but I figure I'd do it now. So as you can see on my desk, I have my Raspberry Pi Zero W talking to my Arduino, and I have a couple buttons. So let me show you what I'm doing here. So when I press this button here, it turns on. When I press this button, it turns off. And it prints the values there. So what's going on? Well, I'm using I2C here. The Arduino is connected to the I2C ports on the Raspberry Pi right here. And the way I'm doing this is using the old tutorial that Dronebot Workshop used 4 years ago, although I updated it to use buttons. So it has the same Arduino code here. You include the I2C library, you define pin 13, you define the address, then you have the function here. So here what happens is when wire is available, we have a character C, which will receive the byte as a character. And then we digital write LED pin to C, basically 0 or 1. And then there's a small delay. And then of course here we set the pin mode to output and we set the LED to low. Then on the Python side, we have, of course, GPIO0 import button. We have from signal import pause. From SMBus, import SMBus. Hold on, this should be that. So here we have the address, the bus, which is I2C1. We have the two functions. So if I press 1, then it will send the byte character 1 to the Arduino. If I press 0, then it sets 0, so it turns it off. If I have two buttons, so when I press one button, this function is called. When I press this button, this function is called, and then we have pause to make the code run indefinitely. So going back to the terminal, so I'll press the button again. You can see the values in the terminal. And that's it. So this is the updated Raspberry Pi Arduino I2C tutorial for 2023. And stay tuned for more.